leaving, he continued on, and now he's right here just revving his engine. Infrared 24/7. So if you try to go to the bathroom, there are dudes in Cessnas barely above your house, moving around like James Crystal, like head stuck to the glass, single-mindedly trying to get themselves into position, using full extent of their ability, barely getting it done, and then just obsessively, psychotically, like, what's he doing? Let's get involved in it. And they're good at it because they're lowlifes. And then they get feedback because they have no competition. So then they're like, this is intelligence. Aren't we the greatest? And they're stupid. We've seen that 100 times over. That's why this dude's pulsing his plane right now. The reason why I'm talking like this is because the sound makes me remember stuff.